Greetings, October 18th, 2015. Just filling in the blanks here. I just happened to glance at the Genesis 1, parts 20 and 21 in the 1985 published Jewish Bible Tanakh, the Holy Scriptures. Was published by the Jewish Publication Society. That was again in 1985. And while the translation text refers to sea monsters and birds flying, it doesn't go into the specifics that would enable and assist people in terms of doing an actual good mental visualization of what those who wrote this, several thousand years ago were referring to. So I've done some visualizations here for you to bring it up into the present. And one of the interesting things about the Jewish scriptures is that over centuries and millennia and so on, it evolves. So here we have a depiction I did this year of the two-headed dreaded Lake Washington Hakachina Gefilte. There's the head on the left, the head on the right. I also have three smaller Gefiltes. Now, whether you wish to perceive these as sea monsters is entirely up to you. And then in terms of birds flying, I think what they really meant to specify was cockatiels and parakeets, two of the most kind of beloved of the flying birds worldwide. So here we have the birth of the world cockatiel, which I drew yesterday and today, last night. And here we have a depiction I did of a budgeriggar in British English, aka parakeet, that I did back in 2004. There you have it.